check out this old rat rod. So tons of information about this vehicle. You can see the whole entire build, everything that's been done. It's a 1938 Ford rat rod. I was checking out the motor, and from the paperwork it says it's a 400 out of a Lincoln, which is pretty cool. I've already checked, it's not overheating, it doesn't have any issues when it comes to temperature. We do fill up all the fluids. It puked out a little bit that didn't fit in the radiator. What we're gonna do is take it down the road, check everything out, see how it runs, it drives, go over the body interior and whatnot. And guys, be sure to check out the 100 detailed pictures that we have at maplemotors.com, the 3 different finance companies you could choose from to get financed through us, and the shipping. I can ship this anywhere in the country. For now, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Let's check out this interior. Place your bets you think the horn works. We'll go ahead and start this one up. Got a temp gauge there on the front. You got 50 pounds of oil pressure. We've got gas, we're charging. Turn signal. Is that what that? I don't know. We'll check on the outside when we are going down the road. $2 bill. All right, place your bets. You think the horn works? Nope, it doesn't. Wipers? That's kind of cool, actually. All right, let's hit the road, see what else we can find on this one. Okay, here we go. Now, of course, you got to have your key on here, or the steering wheel will be locked. So the key is on. This is the first time that I've driven this ride. Let's do it, guys. Should be pretty fun. Here we go. Heading on down the road here. She's actually straight as an arrow. Tight steering. It sounds a little rickety because the doors are shaking. So you definitely got that old rat rod feel. Speedo is not working on this one. Getting in those brakes. You feel okay. Back in our throttle. There's our passing gear. It is hooked up. And of course we're gonna do like we do on all the cars. I can hear the tire rubbing up front too. And we'll light up the undercarriage. We'll do some outside shots. Check everything out for you. All right, be sure to stick around to the end where we do picking out the flaws. That's chips, scratches, rust, and dents. I'll be back. This thing sounds wild. I don't know what's touching what. Kind of wonder if it's the hood. But there's a lot of vibration up front. From the metal at least. Okay, so we're gonna get out of here now. Head on back to the lot. Got the tilt column there. I did turn the idle down just a hair. I felt like it was up way high. Here we go. Nice little bump in the parking lot here. Man, this book here is completely filled with specs on this ride. Like, since it was built, all the way down from the frame to what they did to the motor, to each cylinder in the motor. It's pretty cool information that comes with it. I know right now it sounds like a rattle can. There's something vibrating up there in the front. It's the hood. I'm holding it. It's the hood. That's the hood making all that noise. As soon as I let go, it starts rattling again. Definitely an attention seeker here. This thing, people's eyes just follow it. They're like, whoa, what is that? Woo, that sun's bright. Of course, that hood is rattling off every little bump in the road. I liked how they put the turn signals in the frame up front. That was pretty cool. Bump in the road. It's actually not that bad. I thought it was gonna be stiff when we hit it. It is not at all. It floated right over it. There she is. I've seen some horns up front too. I'm surprised they don't work. Guys, we're pulling back into Maple Motors. Picking out the Flaws is coming up next, so stick around for that. And I'll see you here in just a moment. Thanks for riding with me. Well, we know it's a project car. We know it's a right rod. Let's go ahead and walk around. Anything I find, you'll know about it either way. Coming up on the front end, check out this custom grill. Got a little brush guard on the front. I love how they mounted the lights. I think that's pretty sweet. I do like that. Electric fan, 400 from an old Lincoln. Tires are in good shape. Got a dent, some bubbles there.
Cracks all in the paint there. Of course, to give it that Frankenstein look.
I wonder if it leaks. I'm sure it does. I'm just gonna say it does. Go ahead and tell you now. You know, it did rain a lot over the weekend, and I haven't seen a lot of water in the floor. So, gas tank. Wait, is half of it a gas tank? It is. Just a little gas tank over there. Storage box. Got some extra parts for the hood. In the bed. Yeah. She needs some love. Coming down this side.
No paint peeling up there. See all the cracks.
The paint back here, a lot of dings, dents. But what'd you expect? It's a rat rod.
Coming on down. Got some rust, some dents up here too. Looking around the suspension in the front there.
Got a dent in the middle of the door too. Well, I mean, for what it is, we went around the outside. Pretty easy to walk around this vehicle here. Because chips don't matter on this one, do they? The bed does need to be redone though. Look at that. Look, it's crumbling. It's just going to get worse. Rip it all out, redo it. Door panel on this one, you can see the stitching's kind of coming out. Now there's one thing that I had to do because it does have a neutral safety switch. I literally just touch this and it literally starts. You don't have to do it every time. Once you push it, it's usually good, but headliner can be straightened down a little bit better. Got a rust hole there. Seat cracked up. I don't think it lifts up. Well, the seat's not bolted. Look at her. She's sitting down on a piece of wood. I think it got a storage box and a battery box on it. I didn't realize that wasn't bolted. I never felt it move. Well, I do now. It is what it is, though. This is a toy. A Frankenstein toy. But look at the information that comes with this. Okay, motor specs, frame specs, pictures of everything that was done. The motor torn apart. These do look like some older pictures, but the amount of pictures and information on this vehicle. Keep that together, Nick. It's definitely the same motor. And trans. Shifter installation. Let's get past all that. Sawing some wheels off the back of it. I don't want all this falling in the floor, but yes, you get the drift. A lot of information about this car and the whole building. So sorry there, about lost my book. There's just so much. You can see the rear end there. I love how they did that. So much to look through in the book. Art. See, coming together there. Well, I'll leave this book for you. We do have detailed pictures of stuff. I don't know if he took pictures of every page, but man, it's quite a bit there. Right there checking out a Chevelle. Let's go ahead and start this one up. Give her a little gas. My foot got hung. There we go. What it is when you let go of this ignition, it starts as it comes back. As you're holding it, it's not going to start. So the wiring on the ignition might just need a new one. Squeaky belt too. Again, we know it's a project. And that's what it's priced at. Got a little leak there. Seal probably gone on top. Well guys, I know this is just a rat rod, but I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Other detailed pictures, financing and shipping is available. Go to maplemotors.com. This is going to be somebody's toy project. Hopefully we'll turn it into something pretty unique. Alright, I'll see you later.